Okay, in this tutorial, what I'm going to be able to explain to you is the XLookup function. Okay, this is the data set that we have, which is composed by 8 columns. Okay, we have it's a data cells. It's a data cells transactions. With the month is composed by month, salesman, region, product, MSRP, which is going to be our lookup value. Okay, which is going to be our lookup value composed by this is going to be the lookup value, which will be a concatenation of column A, B, C, D. Okay, for the purpose of this scenario. Okay, enter. We're going to drag it down. Okay, we have the number of customers that were attended by each salesman in that period, the net sales and the profit. Okay, then we have our legend. Okay, and here legend, and we are going to apply a data validation. I'm sorry, the data validation, which is going to be data validation list. What I call this is going to be our month. This is going to be our salesperson or salesman. This is going to be our region. This is going to be our product. Okay, there we go. We have those name ranges selected. Okay, then we're going to apply a data validation in here, which is going to be composed by the following: data validation, a list, and the first source is going to be equal month. We click OK, and there we go. Same thing for the salesperson. Click on data validation, list, sales, equal sign, salesman, and there we go. Joseph, I'm going to say month. Same thing for region, data validation, list, equal sign, region. Click OK. Same thing for product, region. Same thing for product. Data validation, list, source is going to be product. Click OK. We have now product, and there we go. And our lookup value is going to be the concatenation of these fields. Okay, there we go. And this is going to be what we're going to define. What were the number of customers? Okay, let me reformat it. Right click, format cells. Then we're going to go to date, and this one. Sorry, this one. Okay. The number of customers is going to be XLookup. XLookup. What is going to be the lookup value? It's going to be this one. We're going to hit F4 for locking the cell. Then the lookup array is going to be the data set, especially the MSRP, and MS for month, S for sales, R for region, P for product. Okay, Control Shift arrow down. I'm gonna hit F4, and then we're gonna go to the lookup value, which in this case is going to be the customer. F4. Okay, if not found, just NA, not applicable, and then we're gonna have okay, exact match, and there we go. 8 customers. Okay, 8 customers is what Joseph sold in the West region for this product. Okay, if we switch, let's say in March, this is what Joseph did in March in the West area, and in the middle or north for this product. What about fast cars? Number of customers. Okay, now we're gonna go to the salesperson. If we hit on this, it's not going to return the correct value. So what we need here is something more sophisticated. We're gonna combine this lookup function with something else. Okay, This is the lookup value. This is the array when we find the value, and if it is true, it is going to return the value in the column F. Okay. Now we need something like, let's say, a match, right? Let's say match this value, okay, in this data set, okay, click on form and return a exact match. Then this is what we're going to be doing, okay. Match, the first value is going to return a 1. This is going to return the second position and the third position, okay. A customer is located in the first position of this array, meaning F1 through H1. This is going to return 2. This is going to return number 3. Okay, and then what we are going to be doing here is switch this value, then okay, switch this value, okay, if it is true, I want you to please, okay, if it is true, meaning if it's 1, I want you to please return the value and customer, okay. 4, if it is 2, I want you to please return the value of net sales. F4, if it is 3, I want you to please return the value of the column number 3. Okay, there we go. All right, and we're gonna hit this value, and there we go. Okay, but now I'm going to combine these values into this Excel function. Okay, how am I able to accomplish this? I'm going to say the following: XLookup this value in this lookup array and return the value in this column. Okay, but this column is going to be switch this column based on the value of the lookup of the match function that I applied before. How? Like this. I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm going to embed this match function in here in the value F4. There we go. Then I'm going to apply this function in here like this, okay, and I'm gonna hit enter, and if I drag it to the right, it should work, and it did. Okay, it did. Control Y. There we go. Okay, once again, look at value, XLookup this value and this lookup array, and the return array is going to be based on this conditional if conditional, okay, which is done through the combination of switch and match. Okay, switch this value, okay, if it is switch the value of F1, meaning the header. If it is 1, return column F. If it is 2, return column G. If it is 3, return column H. Okay. Okay, let's double check. Joseph, the combination of Joseph, the sales of Joseph in March 2007 in the North region with this product. Okay, let's go to the data. Let's filter March. Sorry, let me go back. March 2007. Okay, March in 2007. Joseph, and I think is the region North. The product fast car. North and fast car. And there we go. It's 6 customers in that region for fast product sales done by Joseph, 1,644 and $606.47 for that period, and it is a perfect match. Thank you very much.